On the phone.
Good morning, Scott and Smith Law Office. May I help you?
Yes, may I speak to David Waller, please?
I'm sorry, he isn't here yet. May I take a message?
Yes, could you ask him to call Marjorie Vale?
How do you spell your last name?
V-A-L-E.
What's your phone number? Does Mr. Waller have it?
No, he doesn't. It's 680-5290.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
680-5290.
I'll give him the message.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Operating room. Mrs. Martin, I'm Dr. Thomas.
Oh, doctor, how is he?
Well, I'm afraid we'll have to operate.
Oh, no. He's always been afraid of operations.
Don't worry. If we operate now, he'll be all right.
Oh, doctor, do you really have to?
I'm afraid so. He's lost a lot of blood. If we don't operate, he'll die.
Oh, please do whatever you have to.
A car loan.
I want to go to the bank this afternoon.
I'll drive you there.
Thanks. I'm going to apply for a loan.
Why do you need a loan?
I have to buy a new car.
What's wrong with your car?
It won't start, and it's 10 years old.
How much will a new car cost?
About $15,000.
Wow, that's a lot of money.
I know. That's why I need a loan.
A cashier.
What kind of work do you do?
I'm a cashier at a supermarket.
Do you like your job?
No, it's not very interesting.
And you don't make much money.
That's right, I make very little.
I think you should look for another job.
I am, but it's not easy to find one.
Keep looking. You'll get one.
Thanks. I hope you're right. Settling down.
How are you settling in?
Oh, we're still in a bit of a mess, but Lisa seems to like it here.
That's good. Is there a garden for her to play in?
Yes, it's not very big, but we've got a small swimming pool.
Have you found a school for Jerry?
Yes, there's one near here. It only takes 5 minutes by car.
That's good. So you like it there, do you, Neil?
Yes, this is a very good place for my children. Will you get some bread for me?
Is there a bakery near here?
Yes, you can get there in 5 minutes.
That's good. I don't have much time.
Why are you going to the bakery?
To buy a birthday cake.
Whose birthday is it?
My daughter's. She's 10.
That's nice. Will you get some bread for me?
Sure. Do you want anything else?
No, thanks. I'll pay you when you get back. Buying a present in a jeweler's shop. I'm trying to find a wedding anniversary present for my wife.
Yes, sir. What exactly are you looking for?
I'm not sure, really. Perhaps you can help me.
Right. I'll show you some pendants.
No, I bought a pendant for her birthday.
Maybe a necklace, then. These necklaces are made of gold.
Yes, I like this one. What's the stone?
It's a ruby, sir, and it's only $1,200.
Well, perhaps you could show me some bracelets then. Buying a present in a toy shop.
Good morning. Perhaps you can advise me.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm looking for a toy for my niece.
Oh, yes. How old is she?
She'll be 7 years old on Sunday.
Skateboards are still very popular.
I don't want her to hurt herself.
What about a Barbie doll set?
I don't think so. She has many Barbie dolls. Have you got anything educational? You see, she's a very intelligent girl.
I've got the perfect thing. A do-it-yourself kit where you can build your own Barbie doll who rides a skateboard. Making a reservation. Can I get some tickets for plays?
Yes. Is there a specific play that you want to see?
What plays are on tonight?
Cats, but it's sold out.
Are there any seats left for tomorrow night?
Yes. How many tickets do you want?
2, please.
Where would you like to sit?
I'm not sure.
Well, here's a seating plan of the concert hall.
How much is it in the middle section?
$50.
$50? That's a little too expensive for us. How much is it in the back?
$35.
That's fine. What time does the play start?
At 7 o'clock.
What time will the play be over?
At 9:30.
Ready to go. Are you ready?
Grace is still in her room.
She needs to rush. We don't have enough time.
What time does the movie begin?
It starts at 7:30.
What's the time now?
About 7:10.
There's no hurry. It only takes 10 minutes by car to get there.
I know, but there aren't enough parking spaces around the theater.
Well, I'd better tell Grace to hurry up. She can take hours to get ready.
An interesting movie.
I thought that movie was terrific, didn't you?
I don't know. It didn't seem to have any meaning.
Come on. It seems that you expect intellectual stimulation from every movie.
I just think that a good movie should have a central theme, at least.
Yes, but it doesn't hurt you to watch a funny movie once in a while. Relax and enjoy it.
You're right. I'm too serious sometimes. In the bus. I see you're reading Harry Potter. How do you like it?
I can't put it down. Have you read it?
Yes. In fact, I just finished it. The ending's great.
Don't tell me. I have only 50 pages to go.
Okay, I won't tell you who died.
Don't tell me anything.
Okay, but I'm biting my tongue.
Good, bite hard.
Such a shame, though.
What is?
That Harry died.
Oh!
A new job.
Mr. Adams, have you seen this ad in the recruit news?
Yes, I saw it, but I'm not interested in finding a new job. I've been here since I graduated from my university. I like working here.
Really? I've only been here 1 year, and I'm already tired of doing the same thing every day. I'm afraid of getting really bored.
Oh, come on. It's not that bad. Wherever you work, you have to do the same thing every day to a certain degree.
Well, what's more, I've been working about 10 hours a day since last month.
But you've been getting paid more money for it, haven't you?
Yes, but I'm not interested in making more money. I'm going to apply for another job.
What kind of job?
A secretarial job.
Well, good luck.
Thank you very much.
A date. 2.
Hello?
Sandy, is that you?
Yes, Who's this?
It's Gil.
Gil? Gil who?
What do you mean, Gil who? Gil Dixon, of course.
Oh, Gil, I'm sorry.
Yes, we had a date last night. Where were you? I waited for 1 hour.
Oh, I'm sorry, Gil. I couldn't come.
Couldn't come? Why not?
Well, I had to pack my stuff for my trip.
Why didn't you call me?
I wanted to call you, but, I couldn't remember your phone number.
And now I'm going to forget yours. Smoking. Do you smoke? I've never known that. When did you start smoking?
I started smoking when I was 18.
So how long have you been a smoker?
I've smoked for 20 years.
How many cigarettes do you smoke a day?
I smoke 2 packs of cigarettes a day.
Have you ever tried to quit?
Yes, I have quit twice. Once when I was expecting my baby, Paul, and the other time when I had a bad sore throat. But I had a hard time.
If you knew what it was doing to your lungs, you would think twice about it. A death.
Did you hear about the Smith family?
No, what happened?
Mrs. Smith passed away this morning.
That's a shame. What from?
Heart attack, I think.
That's a terrible thing.
Yes, Mrs. Smith went into hospital last night by ambulance and died this morning.
Had she been suffering from heart disease?
Yeah, Mrs. Smith had it for 5 years before she died.
Did they try surgery?
She had 2 operations, but they weren't effective.
I feel sorry for Mr. Smith. A birth.
Have you heard about the good news in the Wallace family?
No, I've been out of town.
Mrs. Wallace went into the hospital last night and gave birth to a baby girl 7 hours later.
That's very good. But they already have a little girl, don't they?
No, they have a 5-year-old boy.
So they wanted a girl this time, right?
Yes, they wanted a girl for a long time.
Was it natural childbirth?
No, she had to have a cesarean.
A coincidence. Teresa! What a surprise! What are you doing here?
Timothy, I don't believe it. I'm going to see my daughter. She will marry this weekend. How about you?
I'm going to visit my parents. When is your daughter's wedding?
Sunday.
Wow! This Sunday is the 45th wedding anniversary of their wedding, too.
This is a surprise. Anyway, where is your train leaving from?
My train leaves from platform 3, over there.
How long will you...
Now leaving from platform 3, train from Vancouver. That's my train. I have to run. Sorry we didn't get more time to talk.
That's okay. I'll see you when you get back. Have a good time and say congratulations to your parents.
How have you been?
Raymond!
Oh, hi, Grace. How have you been?
Good. I hear you've been to Toronto for a few days.
Yes, I just got back yesterday.
Did you have a nice visit?
Really nice. It was very good going around downtown and shopping. And I saw the Toronto Blue Jays game at Skydome. It seems that Toronto is a very exciting city. My brother Stanley was there too. You've met Stanley, haven't you?
Sure. I met him when he was here in Hamilton last year. What's he doing these days? Still teaching baseball?
Yes, as a matter of fact, he just began to teach elementary school.
Great. How's everything with his kids?
Have you met my nieces?
Yes, they visited you once in the summer, didn't they?
Right. They're both fine.
I haven't seen them in a long time. They must be really big.
Well, they will come over this Christmas. Let's have a great Christmas party together.
That's a good idea.